Are you wondering how to use, clean or store a kneaded eraser? Hi everyone! A while ago I made an unboxing video of the Crelando charcoal set and one of the supplies was a kneaded eraser. Let's compare it to a normal eraser and see what the difference is. So the difference between a kneaded eraser and a normal eraser is that a kneaded eraser will not create any of the annoying eraser dust. Instead, the graphite or charcoal will stick to it and then you can clean it by molding it. So you're mixing the color you erased back into the eraser, whereas with a normal eraser you're losing parts of the eraser as you're using it. You can also mold a kneaded eraser into different shapes, so you could create a sharp point to add highlights or details on a drawing. How can you keep a kneaded eraser clean when you're not using it though? It's sticky, and if you keep it in a pencil pouch, it will get dirty. I suggest having a small container for it or using a pencil case with compartments. I haven't noticed that having the eraser lying on the table would dry it out, but you still risk it getting dirty, so I wouldn't do that. I've been keeping it in this box for hair dyeing gloves, but that may have made it stickier than it was before. Maybe the box is coated with something. But some other small transparent box might be a good idea, so you can see what's in it and you'll be able to use it for longer since you keep it clean. This kneaded eraser is still the same one from the charcoal set I unboxed over a year ago, and I don't use it that often, but it's starting to look like I might need to replace it soon. So if even after molding it, it seems like it doesn't erase but rather just spreads the graphite around, it's probably time to get a new one.